if you are in this video, I'm sure you are looking how to back up your WordPress website and eventually move your website from one hosting to another hosting. I think it's a good idea to make a backup of your WordPress website. I heard frequently horror stories that there are a couple of years of work is gone suddenly because of hacking the website, or maybe there is a corruption of the file. Then everything is gone. Then you have to work again from the scratch. So I think we need to I was looking for a solution, and I don't know this plugin will work, but let's try and we'll see at the end if it works. So first thing is that you will go to your WordPress admin dashboard. I am already logged in, so I just go to my dashboard, and I'm going to install a plugin. So the plugin called all-in-one migration. So I'm going to plug in, and I will click on add new, and then I will search the plugin. It's called all-in-one migration. Yes, this is it, all-in-one migration. As you can see, until today is 4,674 people reviewed it, and it's 5-star review. And they are also very frequently upgrading. If there is any bugs, then they upgrade frequently. And as you can see, it's 1+ million activate installation. So I think this is a really good plugin, and I'm going to install it. I don't know if it will work. We'll see at the end if it works. So install, you have to click on install now, and then you will go, it will going to install in your plugin section. As you can see, it's very quick. It's installed, and we need to activate the plugin. So click on activate plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you will see that here the plugin will show. So as you can see, it's activated, and we can see here is it, the plugin is activated. So what we can do now, we can export the entire website to your desktop and keep it as a backup. In case if there is anything happens with your website, then you can upload it and go back where you backed up your website. So let's click on export, and then it will open another window. So from this window, I didn't add any other changes. I just click, I see here, I just click export to, I wanted to export it on the file. So I clicked on it, and it will do the job. So it will copy entirely exactly your website, all the files. It will clone exactly the website as it is. That's what they are saying. So let's see what happens. Normally, if your website has a more than 512 megabyte, then you need to buy a professional version. But if it is less than 512 megabyte, then you can use the free version. As you can see, my website is 484 megabyte, so it's less than 512 megabyte of the limitation that they are giving free version. I'm going to now click to download it in my desktop. So click on here, and then you can choose where you want it to download. I'm going to download in my desktop, so I'm going to click to download. It will take a couple of a minute or seconds. It depends on your website images and all the other things that you did. If it is a large website, then it will take longer, but mine, as you can see, it will take 3 minutes. So I don't know how it will work. Let's see. In the second part, I will show you how to upload it or go back with the backup if there is anything happen, something let's say, I don't know, if maybe something happens, and then you can go back your website how it is. In my case, I'm going to put it in another hosting, and let's see if it works, and that part I will do it in second part of the video. So it's still downloading. It's 12 seconds now. It will download. 6 seconds. So it's downloaded. Entire website is downloaded. That's fine. Until now it's going good. And now I can close this. So here I am logged in my cPanel, GoDaddy cPanel. And first of all, I need to install WordPress in this domain. And then I can migrate my site from the other hosting in this hosting. So I will click on WordPress, and then I'm going to install this application, and then I'm going to choose not to install in the directory. I'm going to install in the domain. So my domain is forrentinbrussels.com. So I'm going to choose www.forrentinbrussels.com. So I'm going to install in this website, in this domain. So I choose directory. There is nothing to choose. And then language, English, and I will keep it everything as it is. Admin name, I will just put it admin, and then password, I will just generate a password. So I will just put a password that I think it's. So I will put password myself. So, and then I will put my administrator email. Website name, I will put it for rent in Brussels. Rent furnished apartment, and studios in Brussels. And then I will say install. So as you can see, it's installing WordPress in the website. Once it's installed, you will say it's installed successfully. So here is the progress. So it's already installed. So I can now go to log in to the dashboard, admin dashboard. I will click here. Do you want extra things? No thanks, I don't want anything. Okay, so it will go install everything. So here is it. We are now logged in to my dashboard. If you can go to the if I go to the website, you will see there is nothing in this website right now, so it's empty. And if you compare with my other site, you can see that it's totally different. So we are going to see if it works, this plugin. I'm going to install it and see it how it works. Okay, so I'm going to the dashboard, and I'm going to the plugin section, plugins, and I will see if there is any other plugins that is there. Then I will delete them. So I will delete this because I don't need that one. Limit login attempts. Okay, I will keep it. And then I'm going to install the plugin. I'm going to add. You can go also here and install it from here. And then I'll go to click add new plugin. And I'm going to search all in one migration plugin. And here is it. So I'm going to click install. The plugin is installed, and then I'm going to click activate, and the plugin is activated. And as you can see, it's here. Now that we install the plugin, we can now import the backup that we did in other hosting company. So I will click import, and then you see import from. So I will say import from file, and then you remember that we downloaded the file. So we'll click on it, and then we'll say open. So it will take some time before it could upload everything. It depends also the speed of the internet, and also the hosting company itself. So it could take some time because I know that my website is approximately 485 megabyte. So as you can see, it's almost uploaded. I think they are now checking extension and compatibility with the new website. So it's doing its work. It's installing all the things automatically, and I will see what happens afterwards. So as you can see, everything is uploaded, and now I get a warning that my original PHP is version 5 and the new PHP is 7. So that could make a conflict. But anyway, I will see if it works. So I will click proceed, and then I will wait to see if it works. So as you can see, everything is successfully imported. And now first thing I need to do is set up the permalink. So to do this, we'll just click on it, and then we have to put the username and password. So I put my password, my username and password, and then I'm going to log in. As you can see, it's logged in to my dashboard, and now I need to save the permalink. So I will save with a post name, and I'm going to save change. I will click one more time to be sure. Save change. Okay, and now what I will do, I'm going to see the site. Big moment. If it works, I will be so happy. Yay! It works. As you can see, my domain is changed, and my old domain, other domain, it was like a blah 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 demo. And now my website, you can see everything is there. No problem at all. It's working perfectly. Wow, that's great news. I like the plugin. That's great. So now the website is completely moved from one hosting to another hosting, and the plugin is excellent. It's 5-star. Do leave a comment below, especially if you have a question. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. I will upload videos like WordPress tutorial and city trips that will help you to save time and money. I'm here to help you get more success in life with a simple marginal change in your everyday life. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.